everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. Are you looking for a creative and easy way to elevate your crafting or journaling? This high gloss products craft parchment paper has been such a great and simple addition to my craft room. My favorite ways to use it is for stamping. I like to stamp the sentiment for a card right on the parchment paper and then use it as the insert to the card. It makes my handmade cards look so professional. I also love using it to add an antique element to my crafts. I like to ink up edges of it and it looks so antiqued. The weight of the paper lets me cut it easily or even tear it for extra texture. I like to layer it up, and it's great for bookmaking or just to add that special touch to your invitations. It even comes with project ideas. There are just so many possibilities with this high gloss products craft parchment paper. I love having it in my craft room, and that's my point of view.